Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review on my new stools. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. Assembly is pretty straightforward and only takes a few minutes per stool. I started by attaching the seat to the hydraulic base using the included screws and tools. You won't need anything else. The instructions were clear and everything lined up easily. The wood veneer back and seat feel solid and look premium right out of the box. Once the base is secure, the gas lift slides in and the footrest locks into place with a simple twist. I really liked how sturdy everything felt during setup, no wobbly pieces, and the finish on the wood is smooth and consistent. I repeated the process for both stools and by the end I had them ready to go. Definitely beginner friendly and doesn't require any power tools. Now fully built, you can really see the mid-century modern design shine. The combination of the rich wood grain with the leather seat gives it that retro vibe with a modern update. Each stool offers 360 rotation so they move freely without sticking or squeaking. The base is heavy and stable, which keeps them grounded even when rotating. The height adjustment is smooth and responsive. Just pull the lever and they move from 24 to 32 inches effortlessly. Whether you're using these at a counter height island or a tall bar setup, they're super flexible. Sitting down, the first thing I noticed how comfortable the cushion is. It's soft but still supportive, and the padded backrest gives that little extra ergonomic boost for longer use. The Faux leather feels high quality and has a matte finish that resists fingerprints and water. I tested it with a quick wipe and it cleaned up instantly, great for kitchen messes or bar spill. Going up and down, it was smooth, no jerking or sticking, and the anti-slip base pads keep the stool firm in place without scratching the floor. I tested it on both hardwood and towel and it didn't slide around at all. Overall, these are the perfect mix of form and function, comfortable, stylish, and built to last. As I'm sitting on the stool, one thing that I immediately noticed how stable they actually feel. Even when I swivel or adjust the height, there's no shaking or shifting, and the base is heavy enough to keep it grounded without tipping even when fully extended. The footrest is solid, not flimsy, and stays in place no matter how many times I rotate. It's also positioned at a very comfortable height, whether I'm using the stool at a counter level or a bar height. It does hold up to 300 pounds and the seat stays firm but comfortable, and even as I shift around, nothing feels loose or unstable. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for some new high quality bar stools, definitely look into these. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.